How to download and install VLC Media Player in your system. In this video, I will guide you step by step, just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up your Chrome browser and search for VLC Media Player Download, and open this first official website, videoland.org. Also, I will provide this site link in the description. Then tap here on Download VLC, and you will redirect to this page. Here our downloading will be start automatically, otherwise we will click here to download manually. Once downloaded, tap on it, or you can find it in your Downloads folder. Double-click on it, select your preference language, and press OK. Press Next, 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 Install. And our VLC Media Player will be successfully installed in our system. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.